it's really afternoon. I just woke up from a nap. I didn't realize how warm it was outside. So Kobe and I, we are going on another adventure. No, not to the dog park, but we will be going to the pet store. So I want to go to the pet store. I want to go and do some fun things for Kobe. We're gonna go to the pet store. I need to get gas as well, so we're gonna do that first. And then you'll see me at the pet store. Kobe knows something is up, as you can tell. He says, I know what's going on. Or he thinks he knows what's going on. Good boy, Kobe. Good boy, sit. Good boy. Look at him. He's so good at sitting. We don't need food, do we, Coco? No food. No, we don't need food. There you go. If you want to sit like that, you have a little bit of space. We get food from Amazon. I just needed a harness for him. That's why we're here. Because he chewed his harness. Did you chew your harness, Kobe? But I don't know how he did it, guys, but yes, he chewed his harness. So we're getting him a new one. And I don't know how he even got his harness, because I keep it at a high level. So let me see what they have for harnesses. So they have all these options. These ones are the more fancy harnesses. Are they more comfortable for the dog? Maybe? I don't know. I was seeing if they had a purple, but I don't see any purple. No purple. They have these ones, but it's not like the one that I had. It looks a little different. So I don't know if I like that. I kind of like these ones, but if he's gonna chew through it again, I don't really care for it. Because those ones are more expensive, it looks like. I like this color. This is the one I'm kind of leaning towards, except I would need a small. Oh, they have gray, and that's cute. That's extra small. Oh, they have a small. Okay, this is so cute. Let's try it on. Guys, let's try this on my Kobe bear. Kobe bear. Instructions. You like the little harness? You like it? Okay, we're gonna wear it around the store, Kobe, and we're gonna see if he likes it. I really like that color. They have this whole section, dog with anxiety. I don't know what these are, but like, I'm tempted to try. I'm the only one who makes their dog sniff the item to see if they're gonna like it. Guys, look at my Kobe bear. Oh my gosh. I almost lost my keys in the pet store. I don't know what we're doing, where we're going. It's so warm in here. This jacket's almost too warm. Josh is taking me on a date. Yes. Every day is a date when we go do fun things together. Yes. Guys, I got the pad thai. Josh, what did you get?
Hey.
What did you get?
I got the Good Prow fried rice. That's what it was.
Oh, that looks so good. I'm excited. I don't know what they put on here, but I heard rice and noodles and I was immediately like, yes. Yes, please. So we just got home from dinner. There's Coco. I have to get to editing some of our videos, so we have a really fun video coming out here in a few weeks, so stay tuned for that if you're up on our channel, or that might come out before this one. I don't know what order I'm placing all these in, but we have a ton of fun videos coming out, some more serious than others, as you'll see, but I will talk to you guys in our next video, and I'm gonna sign out for the both of us. Josh is already on the 2K grind. Love you guys.